Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for another Hakka lesson on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alex 彭。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling.And this month at the National Concert Hall here in Taipei, there is a brand new Hakka musical I heard. 听说呢有一个这个客家的歌舞剧呢将呈现在我们的两厅院。
错，
有没有
2月啦？
什么？
这个月啊？
这个月啊，那个
2月。
2月 that means this month. That's right. And it's actually a musical that is based on William Shakespeare's The Taming of the Shrew. 听说这一部这个客家歌舞剧呢是改编于沙翁的《驯汉记》，对不对？
错。
好，那这个歌舞剧到底叫什么名字呢 ，Alice？
福春家五。
福春家五。
福春嫁女。
福春嫁女，福春嫁女就是一个女生的这个 wedding 那种感觉，一个女生要嫁出去的，是不是？
错。
应该是啊。And they actually have an English title to this Hakka musical. It's called My Daughter's Wedding. And if you want to find out more information, 听说到这个客委会的网站呢可以查询，对不对？And that website again is
www.hakka.gov.tw.
Okay, that's www.hakka.gov.tw for more information. 那顺便呢，我们来教教，因为看完一部电影啊，看完一部剧呢，可能会有一些问题啊，对不对？或者一些感受啊。那先从问题来教一下好了。If you want to ask someone after you watch a musical, a play, a movie, you want to say, was it good? You know, 这出戏好看吗？
你知道这出戏好看吗？
你吃到，我没有吃到啊。
你觉得？
哦，觉得啊，好奇怪哦。你吃到
这出戏，就这出戏
啊哈，
好看吗？
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 Okay, so do you think this play or this movie was good? And the answer could be 很好看。
懂好看。
懂好看 That means it's great, it's good, excellent. Maybe it's kind of funny. 如果说很好笑的话呢？
懂好笑。
懂好笑 Okay, it's funny, I like it. And finally, maybe it's a touching story. 很感动。
懂感动。
哎呦，
突然哦，
懂感动是这样子吗？
那你要边哭边懂感动。
Alice 很会演戏哦 You deserve an Oscar for that. 好了，不要闹了，好不好？ That does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.